From today onward, I will tell you about respiration, which is the second unit of life process after nutrition. First of all, I will tell you about respiration. Then after respiration in plant, and then after respiration in animal, and finally in the last I will tell you about human respiratory system. Let's know now respiration. Respiration is a food oxidation process that completes in four steps, which are: first, breathing; second, exchange of gases between lung and pulmonary capillary; third, transport of gases by means of blood; and fourth, exchange of gases between systemic capillary and tissue. Breathing is the first step of respiration. Breathing is also called pulmonary ventilation. Breathing is a two-step process, namely inspiration and expiration. Inspiration, also called inhalation, and expiration, also called exhalation. What is inspiration? Inspiration means movement of air from external environment to lung through respiratory tract. Why inspiration occurs? Inspiration occurs due to the combined activity of both diaphragm and intercostal muscle. What is diaphragm? Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscular partition present between thoracic cavity, meaning chest cavity, and abdominal cavity, separating chest cavity from abdominal cavity. Similarly, intercostal muscle is that muscle which is present between the ribs. There are two types of intercostal muscle, namely external intercostal muscle and internal intercostal muscle. Why inspiration occur? Let's know. During inspiration, diaphragm and external intercostal muscle contract, and due to which our chest moves upward and outward. As a result, chest cavity increases, due to which the space for lung increases, and due to which lung expands, and due to the expansion of lung, alveolar volume increases, and due to the increase in alveolar volume, internal air pressure of alveoli decreases. As a result, air from external environment, meaning atmosphere, rushes through respiratory tract and finally enters and fills the alveolar volume. In expiration, the opposite situation happens. In expiration, which is also called exhalation, diaphragm and external intercostal muscle relax, and internal intercostal muscle contract, and due to which our chest moves downward and inward, and due to which chest cavity, meaning chest volume, decreases, and due to which lung contracts, and due to which the volume of alveoli decreases, and due to which internal air pressure of alveoli increases. As a result, air filled in alveoli rushes out from alveoli to atmosphere through respiratory tract. In this way, breathing can be defined as exchange of gases that take place between lung and atmosphere. In the next video, I will tell you about on second step of respiration, which is exchange of gases between lung and pulmonary capillary. Now, thanks.